and welcome back to my channel. For this vlog is we have a new vlog for today, and also this a special vlog, right? So since it is Christmas, everyone, so we just got opening gifts, right? Opening gifts and presents on Christmas Eve, right? So that is a way of our tradition in Philippines. So we have to open gifts we have to open Christmas gifts in the Christmas Eve of the 12 in the morning, right? So 12 a.m. So in 12 a.m. December 25. So we are not opening boxes in December. We are not opening boxes on the day of the Christmas, right? So we are tradition in the Philippines, and also we have called a Noche Buena, which is we gonna have to eat at the middle of the night, 12 a.m. for the Noche Buena. So we have to cook that, and also we have to give some round, yeah, round fruits and round foods, right? So okay, so for today is I'm gonna make this vlog for, yeah, some of the items that I received from the some of the items that which I received from the Christmas Eve. So, okay, so let's get over to it. Okay, so let's get over to it. So yeah, so let's open right here. Is we've got some, yeah. I'm gonna have to show you this big Christmas bag right over here. So we've got right over here. Yeah. Okay, and then okay, so and it's also, yeah, I'm gonna have to check this out. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to check this first. So we've got right here a gingerbread house kit, right? So I think it's a chocolate, but yeah, but it's a house kit, right? So icing ready to use, sprinkles and sugar pearls. So you have to eat this one, okay? You have to eat this one, okay? So and it's also right over here. Okay, yeah, okay, I got some lip balm right over there, right? So and also we've got yeah, we've got a gummies, okay, some gummies right over here. Yes, and it's also we got yeah, this one right here, sticky notes. Yeah, and it's also a small bag right over here, and which is, I believe, I don't know what is this, right? So yeah, we've got some paper, yeah, pen, a small pen. All right, so I'm gonna have to put that one over. And also I've got this coffee mug right over here. So I've got a coffee mug, right? So got a coffee mug right here. All right. Yeah, let's go. So gonna have to, yeah. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to check some another one right over here. So right over here. Okay, we've got some. What is this? Okay. Yeah, it's a crystal collagen gold powder eye mask. Okay. Okay, I got them over here. And we've got some candy cane right over here. So candy cane, yeah. Another candy cane right over here. So and yeah. And we got some small candy cane over right here. And also I got some pen, right? So I got some pen, and we've got a cane. It's a kit, it's Skittles, but you know, got some bunch of, yeah, chocolates, like M&Ms, right? So it's a Skittles, okay. And then right over here is another one. Okay, we've got some candies again. Okay, maybe I got some candies again. Right, nice. Okay, a candy that you can put, like, it's a candy necklace, right? You can make a necklace of it one. So right over here is another one. So this is not so made too many, right? So we've got a bag right over here. So this bag right is, you can make it into a small one, and then you just have to uh what is this called? Yeah, have to you have to fold it one right over here, right? And then you just have to fold it in. Yeah, you just have to fold it in, and then you just have to put this bag right over here so that you can fit it into a minimalistic bag, right? So yeah, look at that, nice. Okay, and you have a bag like this one, right? yeah, you have a bag like this one. So if you want to pull it off, so you just have to make just like one right over there, and then you just gonna have to, you know, like that. Yeah, nice. Okay, really love that one. Okay, good, nice. Okay, so we get over here, so another one. Okay, we got some another item. We get a ring. Oh, okay, we got some Haribo Gold Bears. It's a gummy. It's a gummy. Okay, gummy bears. Okay, and then also right over here. Oh, we got a Ziploc bag right over here. We get to put some items that you want, right? You want to put some items, right? So that would be awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. So, okay, so I'm gonna have to. So I'm gonna have to take this off. So I've got a coat with a hoodie on. Yeah, look at that. I have a coat with a hoodie, right? Nice. And gotta love this one for the winter. So January is gonna be the 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 start of the winter, right? So I think January. So, and also the last one is we got right here is also Pikachu, right? Okay, so we've got the Pikachu. So they got we did I already have a Charmander and an Eevee. So the only thing that I don't have is Squirtle and Bulbasaur. So right, let's go. Gonna have to open this up. So I don't think that I have my, you know. So I'm gonna have to use this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this one also right over here. So okay, so we've got, okay, so I'm gonna have to open out this. I think it's from Ross, right? So they have also, right, this one in Ross. So I think I'm gonna have to find the Charmander. Oh, I'm gonna have to find the Bulbasaur and Squirtle, right? To complete, right? To complete the starters, right? I already have a Charmander. So let's go. I'm gonna have to take this off. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this Pikachu, and then this box is gonna be put in also into my section of the boxes, right? So because I need to collect also the box, right? So here it goes. We got Pikachu in the house. All right, Pikachu. Yeah, nice. Okay, I already have an Eevee. I have a Charmander, and now it's Pikachu. So the only thing that the only thing that I have to get is Squirtle and Bulbasaur, right? So it's there's a silhouette in my face. Okay, there's a shadow. So there we go, guys. So nice. Okay, and yeah. And it's also, I'm gonna have to put this one also into the boxes that I have also for the, yeah, for Charmander and Eevee. So it's gonna be right there. Put that there, right? Okay. Gonna have to put it right there. Okay, so yeah. Keep it, okay, just keep it this one, okay? And it's also, yeah, I think that's it, right? So it's not so many, it's not so, you know, it's not so many items, right? So because I don't want to expect some techs and gadgets for Christmas, right? It's because it is Christmas, so you have to receive what they will give it to you, right? So yeah, it's okay, that's for sure. So it's because, you know, sometimes others, yeah, so other YouTubers, right, so perfect tech for Christmas. Okay, so there's no tech, so there's no gadget, just only this toy, just Pokemon, right? So since I love Pokemon, right? So all right, so I think that's it for this vlog, and also I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned for more. It's because I'm gonna give you some of my new good stuffs here in my channel. So okay, see you again on the next one.